Good morning, all students. Today we will be looking at some revision questions or revision chapters. We'll just this is going to be a very short video for your revision so that you can spend more time practicing rather than just looking. I'll just go through some of the main topics that is going to come in test uh, tomorrow. So I have again been doing revision on a fourth chapter, that is inequations. Now you might have come across left hand side and right hand side, and there's an equal sign in the middle. That is for the equation. And we have solved so many questions like 2x plus 5 equals to 7, right? And then 2x equals to 7 minus 5, and x is equals to 2, and x is equals to 2 upon 2, that is going to be 1. So you got the value of x, that is 1. But this is called an equation. Okay? When left hand side is equals to right hand side, in the middle there is an equal sign. But today we will be learning something about, well, what if left hand side is not equals to right hand side? So if left hand side is not equals to right hand side, so there are other signs that I can put in the middle. For example, let's say less than. A is less than B. Okay, I can also write A is less than or equals to B. In this, both the sides are not equal. One side is heavier, one side is more lighter. It's like a seesaw. You have seen that swing in the school, seesaw. Sometimes this one is heavier, sometimes this one is heavier, this goes up. Okay, so it's something like this. This one is lighter and this one is heavier. Sometimes they both are equal, but most of the time B is heavier. And this is called A is greater than B, or A greater or equals to B. Greater or equals to. Okay, less than, greater than. Okay, this you might have studied in this very small junior classes in class 1 and 2, less than and equals to for a sign. But this, when in the middle it comes this sign, then it is called inequations. Okay, so you have already learned inequations, but we are just going through a revision and how to solve this inequation. We'll do some questions on inequation. I would like one of the questions for you guys. We'll do two questions, okay, maybe. Let's see. So it's like 2x plus 1 upon 3, 3x minus 2 upon 5 belongs to R, okay? And I have tried a solution set for this. 2x plus 1 upon 3 is greater than 3x minus 2 upon 5. Okay. Now you guys need to be careful about this. That is, it's an inequation. This is an inequation, right? So in inequation, what you need to do? This is called a replacement set. R is doesn't mean replacement. It means rational number. ठीक है, हम rational number से जो आंसर निकालेंगे वो rational number से देंगे. But I have to write a solution set for this. So I will be solving it. You know how to shift terms from here to there. So you can shift things. You can shift this over there and this over there. So it's going to become 10x plus 5 is still greater than 9x minus 6. So I will shift everything on one side. So it's going to be 10x minus 9x greater than minus 6 minus 5. So if you solve this, x is greater than or equals to minus 11. Okay, so what is the solution set? Solution set is minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, and so on. So these are all greater than minus 11. Okay, all the numbers that are greater than minus 11 that you will write in the solution set. This is called solution set. Okay, now what if they told us to put this on a number line? How to put this on a number line? Make a line. Okay, this is like say minus 11, this is minus 12, this is minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, and so on. So how you guys have to put? If this sign would not have been given down, less than or equals to, then you would have made a simple empty circle and then made an arrow like this. But since it says less than greater than and equals to, so you're going to make darken this circle. You're going to darken this circle. It means this circle is also involved. Okay, so that's how you will be doing this. Okay, we'll do one more question which have three sides, not two sides, which have three sides. We'll be looking at that question. Okay, let's see one more question which has three sides. Okay, it doesn't have only two sides, it has three sides. And the replacement side has rational numbers. It says आप कहाँ से number choose कर सकते हो? Rational numbers. Now, the thing that I'm going to do in this question is I'm going to take only two sides. I'm going to take 2y minus 3 y plus 1. I'm going to take this and solve it. So what I will be getting 2y minus y 1 plus 3, then y. We got it. I got one answer. Y is less than 4. And then I will take a different equation. Y plus 1, 4y plus 7. Okay. And then what's gonna happen is this. I'll check 1 minus 7, 4y minus y. Okay, that is going to be minus 6 and 3y, and minus 6 upon 3 y minus 2. So what does it say? Y is smaller than 4 and here y is greater than minus 2. So how to write this in a big statement? So this is how you will write. You are going to write y in the middle. Y is smaller than what? Y is smaller than what? If you see, y is smaller than 4. Okay, so I'll write like this. Y is smaller than 4, but y is greater. Y is greater than what? Minus 2 or equals to minus 2. It says over there. Okay, so how to put solution set? Solution set is going to be like this: minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. I won't include 4 because there is no equals to sign over here. Okay, and if you have to make a number line, that's how you make a number line. Please focus over here. I'll make a number line over here, so that's big and clear. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now minus 2 is being included, so I'll make a dark circle and I'll make an arrow. But I'll do it till here, but I'll make an empty circle. I won't make a circle that is covered or darkened. So I'll make a number line like this. That's how I'll be making a number line. The dark circle or the empty circle also gives you marks. Okay. Otherwise, if you haven't done this, they're gonna cancel your marks as well. Okay. Now we'll also do revision on probability. What is probability? Does anyone of you guys know what is probability? Okay. Basically, probability is a measurement of uncertainties. When you're not certain about something, but measuring that through mathematics. Okay, you're not certain about is it gonna rain today? Is it raining today? Is it gonna rain at night? Is it gonna rain in the evening? Is it not gonna rain in the evening at 5 o'clock? Is it gonna rain when you go for a picnic? Your family goes out for an outing or something like that. You don't know that. It's uncertain. Is school going to reopen in 1st September? Uncertainties. So measurement of uncertainties, they've given a new name to the chapter that is called probability. Okay. There's one simple formula of probability, that is PE. This means probability of any event equals to number of favorable events. Okay, favorable event means the number that you are favoring. Okay, I'll explain you that more. Total number of events. So you can write just total number of events. Okay, now probability of an event equals to number of favorable event upon total number of events. That's the only formula that is applied in this whole chapter, that is called probability. But just to explain you guys, the probability of any number is between 1 and 0. Okay, we just did revise inequations, but I just wanted you guys to know that probability of any uncertainty is between 0 and 1, not more than 1 or less than 0. Okay, it's always between 0 and 1. Even if you try finding out your answer in points, you'll get to know that. Okay, so for example, let's take an example. I roll a dice. Okay, and I am favoring number more than 3. It means 4, 5 and 6. How many numbers I am favoring? 3 numbers. Okay, 4, 5 and 6. So I will find the probability of me winning. अगर 4 आया ऐसे करके तब भी मैं जीता, 5 आया तब भी मैं जीता, 6 आया तब भी मैं जीता. Okay, so how many numbers am I favoring? 3. Upon total number of even is 6. So my answer is 1 upon half. कितनी प्रोबेबिलिटी है जीतने की? 50%. हाफ को 50% भी कह सकते हैं. अगर आप परसेंटेज में चेंज करना चाहते हो तो इनको 100 कर दो. आपको तो पता है परसेंटेज में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं. Anyhow, but this is my probability. 1 upon 2 is my probability. Or 0.5 also you can say, but leave it in fraction. Okay, that's how you find probability. But probability is always going to be between 0 and 1. Your answer is always going to be 0 and 1. Let's say I'm just favoring 1. If I get 6, okay, if I am rolling a dice and I get 6, only 6, then I win. And how many number I am favoring then? 1. So what's my answer? 1 upon 6. Okay, you can leave your answer 1 upon 6 as well. Okay, so number of favorable event is what are you expecting to come? Okay, what is your expectations in uncertainty? We'll take one more example. Okay, let's say in a bag, in your school bag, there are 5 blue balls. Okay, 7 red balls. Okay, and 9 pink balls. Okay, what is the probability of getting a blue ball? So probability of getting a blue ball is how many are favoring? 5 balls in a bag. Okay, so probability of blue balls, even if you can write B or blue balls, so you can write in bracket, equals to 5 upon total number of events. Now total number of events are how much? 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 5, 21. So 5 upon 21. You can't solve this into the lowest term, so this is your answer. What is the probability of getting a red ball? That is 7 upon 21. But 7 can be divided by 21, right? 1 upon 3. So that's your probability. 9 upon 21 for pink balls. But the question can also come like this. What is the probability of not getting a pink ball? You're not favoring pink ball. What are you favoring then? It's indirectly telling you that you're not favoring pink ball, but what are you favoring? You're favoring blue or red. Is that clear? You're favoring blue or red color. So if you're favoring blue and red color, then 5 plus 7 is equals to how much? 12. So your answer is going to be 12 upon 21. This can be divided by 3. 3 4s are 3 7. So what's your answer? But in every question, make sure that you write the formula. Okay, if you're not writing the formula, then it's going to be really hard for you guys to score full marks in this question. Please do write the formula in every question and then do it. Okay, and also write down given. For example, if these things are given 5 blue balls, 7 red balls in this, and then write the formula and then solve. Okay, hope you guys understood something from the video. Do take something out and please be ready for your test. Thank you. Have a nice day.